A short while ago, our Prime Minister, Mia Amor-Motley, announced new legislation aimed at collecting VAT on online transactions. We have all known that this was coming as it was originally announced in the mini-budget on June 11, 2018, but there has been a lot of speculation and indeed misinformation as to what it is all really about and how it will work. To try to explain these questions, we've done a series of short videos like this one. To better understand everything that is to come, let's start at the very beginning and look at taxation. Taxation falls under two very broad headings, direct and indirect. This means that some taxes are taken from you as you earn, usually income tax, and some taxes are taken based on other criteria afterwards. The most common of this latter type are called consumption taxes. You pay based on how much you consume. VAT is a form of consumption tax. If you as an individual spend more, then you will pay more in tax. There is also another very special factor about VAT. Where the consumption takes place is very important. If the consumption takes place inside the shores of Barbados, it is taxable. Remember this because this single point helps to explain the majority of the questions surrounding this new method of collecting VAT. By consumption, we don't just mean something that you eat, but rather anything that you buy for use, whether it is a service or a physical product. And likewise, if the consumption takes place outside of Barbados, then it is not subject to VAT. You should also remember that this isn't a new tax nor a change in any way to VAT rates. It is mostly a change in the way and the timing that VAT is collected. Almost everything else stays the same. You are not going to pay more than you should have been paying before. You should now have a better understanding of the basic rule for when VAT is applied, which is our objective in this first video. In our next, we'll explain a little more about this change in the way that VAT will be collected and why this change is a good thing as we work towards a better Barbados.